Are you ready? What? I've never seen it as a result. Hello everyone, my name is Angelina Dominic Roderick and you're watching She Beyond Your League.
And on we'll go.
Guys, as you read the title, today we have a special guest or not so special guest, and that not so special guest is my brother, Neil Roderick. Say hi. ओके सो इसकी हाइट एक्चुअली फिट नहीं हो रही थी फ्रेम में, अभी भी थोड़ा सा नीचे होकर बैठा है एंड बाकी के वीडियो के लिए वो बेड पे पैर रख के फिर बैठने वाला है बिकॉज एक्चुअली ही इज 5 years younger to me but he is very tall. So yeah, ignoring that he's still 5 years small to me and ignore that, I just had a vitamin C or vitamin D का tablet, so उसकी वजह से वो ऑरेंज ऑरेंज हो रखा है. I don't know why you are playing hands so much. Anyways, so about me, what is your full name?
Neil Roderick.
And what is your age? 15. And like which standard you are in? Talk something about yourself. Which standard you are in?
10th and 11th grade.
10th और 11th के बीच में क्योंकि रिजल्ट अब तक नहीं आया है. And yeah, what do you like doing? Like what are you doing? What do you do? Like what do you like doing?
What?
What is your hobbies? Yeah, he does play games. So guys, before starting today's video, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also like this video if you guys enjoy this video by gaming. And also turn the post notifications on so you guys don't miss an update on my future videos. I make videos related to beauty, lifestyle, fashion, vlogs, and also travel is coming really soon. And also I will be doing many challenges with this fellow and many of my friends, many collabs, a lot of things is coming ahead. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications. Also, if you guys like me personally, you can go and follow me on my social medias. Everything is displayed on the screen and also linked down below. So guys, with that being said, let's start with today's video. So guys, as you read in the title, my brother is going to actually guess the makeup products that I have. There are around 13-14 makeup products that I have and he has to guess what are these makeup products and where are they used. And he has to guess at least 8 to pass. Otherwise, I will be making a fusion of mayonnaise, chili cheese spread, vinegar, pasta sauce and everything like that, and he'll be having that one spoon. If he doesn't get at least 8 right, yeah, you. So that is what he'll have to eat if he doesn't guess 5 products from all of these. So let's go guys. The first product is this one, which I'm showing really fast. So this is the product and I won't be showing it like that, but I'm going to hide it and I'm going to let him guess the product, see the brand name, and also I'm going to give him a little bit like, for testing and seeing if he can see the consistency or anything. Now see, here is the deal. I know my friends know a little bit about makeup, my family knows a little bit about makeup, my younger sister, she knows a lot about makeup, but I don't know anything about him because he always sees me doing makeup, but he's not. Like I don't know how much he will know about makeup and what he sees me doing makeup, but he's not that interested to know मैं क्या लगा रही हूँ क्या नहीं लगा रही हूँ. So if he gets any of these right, I'll be really shocked. So yeah, let's go. You spread it with your hand and see what do you think it can be. This is good product.
Sunscreen.
है?
Sunscreen.
It smells like sunscreen. Hello? What sunscreen smells like this? अरे हाँ, Lakme का that kids वाला sunscreen smells like this, but it's not sunscreen. Try to guess like how it was. Does it feel nice? Like what hydrating and like what things be hydrating and nice.
Prime.
Huh?
Prime.
You saw Prime written over there ना when I showed them?
No.
झूठ बोलो, बार बार झूठ बोलो.
No.
What is Prime? What is Prime?
Like primer or something, huh?
Ah, okay. Primer ठीक है, where do you apply it?
On the face to
Where?
hide that.
What?
Hide your body.
No, not for you. You have to hide for you. Where do you put it? What for? Like, where do you put it?
No.
Okay, and
To hide black.
to hide your pores, open pores, and you put it on your face. So for that, I'll give him a point because he said you have to put it on your face first, and also he said like blackheads and everything comes. It was not right, but I told him pores का. So we'll give him a point. So guys, the next product is this one. So ज़्यादा कुछ इसमें hide करने जैसा है नहीं. I'm just going to show him. So this is the product. Nothing is written on that. No, nothing is written. See, cheater. And listen to straight over there. What do you think this is? Have you seen me apply this?
Everything smells like sunscreen.
Everything doesn't smell like sunscreen. अरे हाँ, you put it on top of that ना, but ठीक है, like थोड़ा सा different है इसमें. अरे जमी मांगूस बोलना. What do you think this can be?
I've never seen that thing.
What do you think like you put it so क्या क्या लग रहा है, कैसा लग रहा है? What do you think it can be with that? Cold.
Moisturizer. Cold moisturizer. Keep your face cold.
Moisturizer
Cold.
used
No,
to
keep your face cold.
That doesn't make sense. Anyways, we shockingly gave that point to him. बस तुक्का लगा रहा है ये बंदा और कुछ नहीं. Also guys, we are like quite opposite. Not exactly opposite. I am a lot of extrovert. Also in front of like other people, a lot of extrovert. Wow. I'm very extrovert, especially outside also, inside the house also. But he is kind of introvert. He doesn't talk to much people outside. But he is very like literally ये जो सारी चीजें घर पे करता है ना, बाहर वाले लोगों को बता देना, वो लोग लिटरली बोलते हैं कि बात भी करता है क्या, ये कुछ बोलता भी है क्या रे यार, घर पे आके देखो मेरा जीना मुश्किल कर देता है ये. Like literally he'll be shouting, screaming, troubling me the whole time. And he troubles me more than I trouble him, right? Like what? अरे, I told you my hair is getting spoiled. So guys, the next product is this, and you have to guess what is this product. Okay, so I just दादा आ गया. Holy shit. Put and पीछे भी लिखा था, मैंने देखा नहीं.
It's obvious smelling like
How does it smell like sunscreen and what it can be, like the color and all?
what is that?
What?
Blender?
I'm going to
What is
die.
blender?
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
That's blender?
Blender मतलब
Still, what is that? That's the main thing. How can you not know that?
cream.
Cream, I put cream on the face. For skin, like
So
it
many
looks like
things you put on
skin.
the face.
It looks like skin, it has skin color.
Skin area.
That is saying because like if someone loves Papa more then we say Papadia. अगर मम्मा को ज़्यादा प्यार करती है तो मम्मा, if he loves me more then we say Toleria. So
No,
that's the
no, no.
reason you do. Nowadays he's very much stick to me the whole time, every time. Don't do this, don't do that, don't do this, don't do that. Because he's going to miss me, na.
I stick or you stick?
Cry.
I stick or you stick?
You stick. He's such a liar. Let's see, going to cry.
Want to laugh?
What it is?
What? Okay.
Oh, okay. What was sorry?
अरे show me the name to.
Okay, Maybelline Fit Me. What Maybelline Fit Me? का what pump you see at least? It looks like skin. That is the main thing. Like
This is
skin
makeup.
color. Where do you put it?
On the face.
So I'll give him half point for that. Foundation need. Foundation is such a common word.
That I forgot the name only.
Wow. So guys, the next product is this. Okay, so he's going to guess. What do you think it is? Let's smell and see.
Blush.
What does it smell like?
Blush.
Is this a color that you
Say it
put?
as a smell.
If I put blush, if this is blush, will it even be seen on my face? So it is skin color, na? So what it can be? And see how it is, like what it is. It's liquid or what?
How does it call it?
So what?
Blush.
No. Blush का color, what colors your blush? Different colors का ना blush भी, pink and all. So this is not pink and all. This is like
Skin color.
color. Wow. No.
Then
This you put. What? Where do you put? What do you
on the face here.
put? Main face, right? Okay. So for that I give you half.
For dark circles?
Huh? For the whole face only basically. This is. So what it is? It's like your whole face only this, and it looks like skin. So what it is? You just said. I just asked you what is the texture of this and everything.
Here is like blush. No, my powder.
Stop it!
Powder.
Huh? I'm helping you a lot, huh?
Powder.
Yeah, he won't know that it is a compact powder. So yeah, powder. Okay, I give you a point.
Like the
So,
powder I told.
okay, so I give you a point. You got a point. Okay, so he gets a half point for this because obviously I helped him, but he said that it is to be put on the face. So guys, the next product is this. This is the product. What do you think this is?
Mascara.
What?
Mascara.
My mascara is like this. It's not a hair product.
हाँ mascara like that. Put on your eyes. What is it?
No,
Kajal.
no.
Then
Say,
then what?
try to put it on your hand or something. How will you use it? Try to see how it is used. What is this?
On the eyes only.
brush thing?
Just
Okay, on the eyes. ठीक है. So that के लिए half
Oh,
point you
you
get.
have to put it on the eyebrows.
I'm taking the half point back. Try it on your hand. थोड़ा ऊपर. This is how he has put it. Show in the camera. What do you think it is?
Something smelling like sunscreen.
Why does everything smell sunscreen? It
Because
doesn't
everything
smell like
else.
sunscreen at all. What do you think? It's food भी आएगा.
Kajal. Mascara.
So,
Then what?
pass.
No. Show me the name.
Show me the
Name, not
name.
the brand, the brand ka name.
This is my name.
Then what? In your eyes.
Inside my eyes, काला काला is there ना to make it more काला काला.
You have to put it
No,
here.
पूरा eyes को काला.
Then it is eyebrows ka only. It's eyebrows ka.
No.
Then.
I take a half point also back from you.
Then where?
I tell them pass.
Pass.
It is a liner. It is an eyeliner. What?
I told you it is mascara. Kajal. Then how do you know what is liner? That is the same.
So that is only the game.
That is also the same
That you
thing.
don't know. No, that's not the same thing.
I
Liner is
knew
to put
that.
inside the eyes. Liner is to put like that after being liner and all. And mascara is to put on the lashes. How it is the same? How is it same? Hey, so I will be giving half a point for that because he said in the start that it is for the eyelid, even though he was changing his sentences, but still because I'm a good sister.
Oh, shit.
product is this one, okay? So here is your product. This is how it looks.
What's blush?
Huh?
It's blush
Why do you think it is blush?
because it is pink and it
So,
looks like
like
powder
everything
powder.
is not pink. I mean,
Like
everything
powder
pink is not
powder.
blush.
Like powder powder and it is blush.
Try and see.
Huh?
Put it on your hand and put it on your hand. Smell say what you put everything in your nose. Put in your nose.
What it is? It's blush only.
Look at what? Look at it. Where is that applied? You got a point, like a full point. So guys, the next product is this one. So now look at this product. Huh? This is very nice product. So here is this thing. Okay, here is a sponge kind of. Here is this thing. Okay, this shape. You wait now, and then this is like this.
This is mascara. And that
All
goes
card, all things will be in one thing.
that blush too. No, this is mascara. This whole thing is mascara.
How
This is the brush and then
मेरे जानू इसके ऐसे प्रोडक्ट लिए है to confuse him. बेचारा बच्चा पहले से इसको कुछ पता नहीं होगा आज दिल में का प्रोडक्ट लिए है. Say, then what will this be then?
This kajal. You're confusing me. At least tell it is right. Mascara is right.
No, it's not
That one
right.
is.
No, it's not a mascara or kajal. All of these things are not a mascara or kajal.
I only know that.
What is this one?
Everything black is red only.
Oh, there is one more thing now. See, face cup came, blush became, eyeshadow liner became. कौन सा चीज बाकी है?
And what I know? Eyeshadow.
नहीं, this eyeshadow.
Black only you have to put.
हाँ, but this is eyeshadow. This is all a part about one
Put on
thing.
that eyelashes. No, this is eyebrows. Sir.
What? Okay, you don't know that all, okay? But what can you call this thing? What can you name this thing? You said eyebrows will have this. What can you name this?
Pencil eyebrows. Because that's the normal thing.
Okay, so we give him one more point for that. Okay, so guys, the next product is this one, and he's telling me at least show me the name of the product. अब ये name जान के क्या करेगा जब इसको product ही पता नहीं चलने वाला. So yeah, this is the product. See the color of it.
Brown.
Huh? And this product is by the way from LA Girl. Do you understand anything what it could be?
And with the front.
When did this brand come? Then our product, guys, this is the very famous product from that brand. Okay. Now brown color. What do you use brown color for? Like, what do you think on my skin to buy I'm using brown color? Skin buy, but where? What do you think? Where am I using? What are you doing? I don't know.
I don't know.
Look at
Copy.
it.
Vanilla copy.
It's looking like coffee.
Because
When
it's
did you
brown.
even
It is
smell it?
brown. That's it. Vanilla copy.
It doesn't smell like anything. Show me your hand. So this is how this product looks. So what it can do?
Lipstick. Nose on the nose. Okay.
Or
To remove the blackheads. No, nose to black. Nose to that black that thing. And a small contour.
freckles.
Right.
So that was in my video, but that is not for this. Like इसमें बड़ा-बड़ा freckles होने लगे.
Not freckles. You remove it.
What are you saying? कौन से दुनिया से you are? Tell me now.
What I know.
Can you guess like what this color? Where am I using it?
On the face.
Where on my face?
On the nose. On the chin. On the forehead. At least tell me, huh?
Nose हाँ, forehead हाँ, and where? If you get no. अरे will you कितना टाइम पास करता है ये? अगर ये वीडियो लंबी हो रही है इसकी वजह से हो रही है, बहुत टाइम पास करता है. Tell me.
On your head.
Do you want to pass? He doesn't even want to pass. He doesn't even want to say on my
On
head.
the chin.
कुछ भी?
Okay, yeah.
हाँ, I made muchi with this brown color.
Forehead. On the forehead.
No.
Then.
I hate this color.
Neck.
Yes.
Neck.
Ah, nice.
Then
Then
where?
I define
Then
it.
where in your eyes you can put over? Then where you can put it?
Pass.
Uh-huh.
You didn't even say the name. You don't get a single point.
I get a half point.
No, you
Quarter
just said
point.
two things.
Quarter.
And that is not even that this.
So quarter point.
No, this is contour.
How will I know?
You have heard
I've
about
never
it?
did it.
So this is contour. You have
Okay,
to
then
put it
this
on your
one-
cheekbone. Shut up. It is there. That is the whole point of this video to see how much you know. Putting it's being put on your like cheekbones to make it more sharp because when you're putting foundation, it beats to brighten.
Why are you telling me?
So I'm just telling you, and on your nose also to make it slim, not for freckles, to remove freckles. Freckles निकालता कौन है? So guys, ये ना नाक को हाथ लगा रहा है, कान को हाथ लगा रहा है, then he's touching me, doing all this. नाक के अंदर खुजली कर रहा है. So guys, moving on to the next product, and yeah, this is the next product. This is your brand that you want to see every time. You want to smell it. Smell. What do you think this is like?
Anda.
Anda.
Looking like anda.
ये कौन सा अंडा की थिंकिंग में पाना? Why do you smell?
Mama
मम्मा ने कभी नहीं लगाया. मम्मा doesn't use it. मतलब अभी नहीं लगाया, पहले लगाते थे.
You have food content.
I just know. It's there on my
Sugar
table
का.
right now. कितना न्यू चीज है? पैकेजिंग पे लिखा है शुगर का.
Behind the show na kaya.
अच्छा.
Behind the
Behind is written.
We don't hint at least.
What hint should I give you? This is not a hint wala game. You have to see it shiny, shiny. What can I do? Why you put it on your where do you put? What can you see shiny on my face? I give you a hint. Where you can see shiny on my face. You can see
I
it. And
keep it. No, you're.
टीचर एक मौका देंगे देखने मैंने बोला देखने के लिए तो पूरा फुल
You're down.
वाह यू आर गुड
It goes to you're.
Okay, the places is right. I'll give him half a point. You tell me what is this used for? What do you think might be like not used for? What is the name
Shining.
of it?
For shining.
So what can the name be?
Glitter.
No, like close.
No.
Right, like
Glitter.
you even अरे यार इस पर सिर्फ मैं तो एकदम मौका देते जा रही हूँ ठीक है this is not counted you will get after this but I'm just not counted ठीक है इधर भी रहता है किसके नाम से like it is a pen and it is used to show a word too much like you know
Highlighter.
but you don't get a point you just get it. So this is your next product and this is how it looks.
Mascara.
Huh?
It is mascara.
No.
Huh?
Why do you think it is a mascara?
Because you put it here, you put it here. I have seen you many times putting it here.
Okay, you put it over there. Why? What is the
And
name of it?
after you also I will put in like caterpillar.
So tell me your final answer.
Mascara.
ठीक है giving him a point for that because he guessed it's a mascara. But your mother this is nowadays used for that use. So guys, the next product is this, and this is how it looks. What do you think?
Pencil, put it on. Arey. Like lip liner.
White color का lip liner I put. I put for you. White color का lip liner.
कुछ भी
Other people do put, but I have seen putting.
Put it on lips and lip. Put it. Lip liner or later?
How is it lip liner? Who put white color का lip liner? Like people do put, but I have seen you put a what?
You put many things on your face.
Yeah, so but I don't put white color का lip liner.
So what is that? Oh, it is for the brand name.
Miss Claire. Why do you just look at my face? Why do you have that to me?
Pencil.
Colored pencil for what?
Put on the face. For that. Okay, yaar. I don't know the name. You have to put it. I've seen you.
Okay, so fast. What time did you have? Okay? No point at all. Okay? Now I'm giving him a hint because I've actually used this product today. So look at my face and think where I've put it.
Yours.
Put me
Or on your eyes. Here.
on my eyes. Wow.
In your eyes. In your eyes you put.
Why is it not? So it's like a kajal kind of eye pencil. Colored eye
So what
pencil.
was I telling you? It
So
was
what?
pencil.
Lip pencil is different, eye pencil is different, and I don't put it on my face.
I only know lip pencil now because I've seen Mama putting lip pencil. The border.
So that is a different thing. You put white color lip pencil or what?
What I know.
This is what he's doing. The next product is this. Arey Sona! Ah! Why are you doing that?
So put it here. On your. Put it.
What color is it?
If it is that shape, then you have to put it here on the eyes only. No, it is lipstick.
कुछ भी
Nice. I'll put for you this color ka lipstick. It will look like a skin on you. Lipstick. Wow.
Then eye space. On your eyebrows.
मैं पूरा वीडियो बस ये देख लिया इंसान आया कहाँ से
On your eyes. Oh, on your acne.
ओके
Then acne na.
ठीक है
To hide it
ओके
and to
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो
blackhead.
ठीक है so you told me where to apply now you tell me where to oh what is the name it's for Maybelline Fitness I think it's all
Blender.
everything is not a blender or blush or what
So what is blender? Blender is here or what?
no say fast ना देख
See.
oh hello you catch पकड़ के गिरने के लिए
See that pass.
First, so it is a concealer. You were right about where to put it. So I'll
So
give you
concealer,
half a
how many
point.
things are there? How will I know the name? I forgot. I know it is concealer. Name I know. Name. No, I know that I have listened concealer, but I don't know what is concealer.
Arsenal, no?
No.
It is the highest spot now. It's called as Cool As Concealer. So the next product. Okay. So guys, the next product is, which is pretty simple, I guess. So the next product is this.
You told it is simple, so it is lipstick. It is lipstick.
No, it's not.
It is. Then what it is? What it is then?
I've tried to like confuse him so much that he's tired now. What do you think it
It
is?
is lipstick now.
So guys, this is the next product and that is this. So this is I use the product a lot and this is the only product जिसके ऊपर उसका नाम नहीं लिखा था. So that's why. See first. What do you think of the product?
It is eyeshadow.
Huh? Final?
Eyeshadow.
Okay? One friend? Are you sure? Are you sure? I'm trying to confuse you, okay? Get confused. I don't want to give you a point. Okay, get a point. Okay, so guys, here is what he made and he got. You guys can see कितना chili powder है उससे बराबर mix भी नहीं किया है. Okay, so what did you put in this?
Mayonnaise, sauce, whipped powder, and first I put little, but add for the color was not.
Color was my nice. Chef.
One good spoon, huh?
This is a big spoon. Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Spoon was not big.
Ji, I my पेट में खराब tomorrow morning.
Just eat it.
Yeah, so much.
Just eat it. And I don't know what type of milk. Don't do the curry. Don't do the curry.
That is so bad. Looks like movement. Like that yellow one on this one.
Eat it now.
See, I can't now. Why not that? See.
Eat.
Yup. Okay. Okay.
Okay, Adat.
I can't take this back.
Eat it, yaar.
It's so spicy. From mirchi powder. Have one.
Nice. You like now? Like it?
I don't like this ghatiya spicy. She mayonnaise में हल्दी
That's all. And it.
sauce mirchi powder. Yeah.
At least I could have put this also. This also.
She.
And all pepper. And अरे हाँ, chili flakes and pepper also. Not.
So then I had water because obviously उसका taste आ रहा है and और like well सब आ रहा है. So guys, that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed me making this video with my Jungli. If you guys want me to make more videos, fun challenges and stuff like that with him, let me know in the comment section and also let me know what do you want us to try. So we'll be doing a lot of challenges like these games or food challenges and stuff like that. I have something planned, but if you have something planned or you have some ideas, you can let me know down below. And also if you guys like me and like this video, like us together, you can definitely hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, turn the post notifications on so you guys don't miss any update on my new upcoming videos. I post videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, vlogs, gaming. I'm going to do it soon. I like to do these challenges and everything like that. So here is all fun stuff. You can definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you guys like me somewhere, like my content somewhere, like my shorts that I've been posting a lot, so you can see similar kind of content on my social media handles. They are being displayed here on the screen and also a link in description. So you can go and follow me right there. Here is where we say goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.